Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change default apps in Windows 11 super quick and easy. So, let's dive in. First, click the Windows Start button in the bottom left corner. Go to the Settings. Click the Apps on the left sidebar. Then, click the Default Apps. Here we are, the Default Apps section. You have two main ways to change things. First, scroll down a bit and find the app you want to set as default, like Google Chrome, VLC, Notepad++, whatever you installed. Click on it. You'll see a list of file types and links it can handle. For browsers, you'll usually see a big blue button that says Set Default or Make Chrome your default browser. Click that, done in one click. Second, if you only want to change one thing, say .pdf files or .jpg photos, use the search bar at the top. Type .pdf or .jpg and hit enter. Click the file type that appears, then choose your preferred app from the list. Click Set Default, and you're good. That's literally it. Windows saves the change instantly. And that's how you take back control of your default apps in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.